Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to include a poem in a review on Goodreads. Maybe the one who asked this also wants to write a poem in her or his review. The simple thing is you can write your review then also write a poem on your review. And on this tutorial, I only want to show you how to create review on Goodreads mobile. So you can click here to search your books. Then I will search Anne of Green Gables. And after that you can click on this toggle, drop down I mean. Then you can select a shelf here. I will choose this one, then click save. Then you can rate this book at here, and after that you can write your review here. If your review has spoilers, you can click on this box. Then don't forget to save. So this is how to include a poem in a review on Goodreads. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.